All right, in this video, we're going to be talking about creating the altitude of a triangle. So the altitude is going to come from one of the vertices straight down at a perpendicular angle to the opposite side. So in order to do this, we need to first drop a perpendicular. And to do this, we're going to place the point of our compass on the vertex and mark an arc that intersects the opposite side in two distinct points. We're then going to go and place our compass at the given point where they intersect. You can change your compass distance. It's not really important either way. You can keep it the same if you choose. But you mark a big arc, come to the other side where it intersects, mark another arc, and now these 2 points should intersect. Where they intersect, you're going to go from there to the vertex, draw a straight line using your straight edge, and then from right here, that is now a perpendicular bisector, or a perpendicular angle. It might not necessarily be the perpendicular bisector. It's going to depend on your triangle. If you have an isosceles triangle or an equilateral triangle, then it will be the perpendicular bisector. However, here, since we don't know, we can't assume that it is. Now with this, you're going to end up possibly with something like this, where you're going to have an obtuse triangle here with this angle being more than 90 degrees. So in order to do this, what we're going to have to first do is extend our base here. Take a straight edge, whoops, and extend our base. Now that we have this extended, and I might even extend it just a little bit further, just to really make sure that I'm good. There we are. You're then going to go through, mark an arc that's going to intersect in two given points. There we are. So now this arc intersects our base and its extension in 2 points. I'm then going to come in. Hopefully my paper's long enough. Oh, it is not. It's all right. So we're coming just a little bit shorter. Unfortunately, some of this is trial and error. Just barely on the page. There we are. So you can see both of these intersect right up here. You're going to go from that point where they intersect to the top of that vertex. This right here is going to be a 90-degree angle. And now this given line here is going to be your altitude. So you're going to notice on obtuse triangle, it's going to be outside of the triangle itself. It's going to be on that extension of the base. And so those are the two types of problems that you'll see if you're asked to look for the altitude of a triangle.